Hey guys, everyone is gonna be trying to water run in this lobby, so. Oh no, I sank. Okay, go, everyone!
My turn.
Everyone! Everyone, there's not even any turns. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I did it! Yes, I did it! Everyone, go! Go, go, go! That can be later on. Because sadly, it's gonna be quite a long time to be able to water run all the way across beach. But, of course, this is fine. Because it's like a kiddie pool. You can't exactly drown in here unless you physically cannot swim at all. But if you can walk underwater, well, then you're great. Just walk underwater. You can walk underwater, you know that? Let's go! Running on water has horrible traction. Subscribe!